Let us look at a phase portrait of a saddle point. So when was the fixed point of saddle point? When we had real and distinct eigenvalues, but the one of them is positive and the other one is negative. Now I would not try to solve in detail because I think we have done that several times for the case of real and distinct ones, and you should be able to do it on your own. So here we know the answer is we have the eigenvalue, one of the eigenvalues is -1, and the associated eigenvector is 1, -2, and the other eigenvalue is 3, and the eigenvector is 1, 2. And we need to come up with a phase portrait. So solution in this case, you can see, is going to look like some constant into V1, 1 minus 2, e raised to the power minus t. Now this is a decaying one, plus C2, 1, 2, e raised to the power 3t. Now this is a growing one. So you can very easily check that for the initial condition where C2 is 0, when C2 is 0 and we have x1 equal to minus 2 times x2. Once again, now we have this slope as -1 and this is -2, so it will be larger or smaller actually in the negative number sense. Assume this is a straight line and this is a saddle point. Okay, from where is this line trajectory arrived? From where is this relation arrived? When the solution had e raised to power minus t in it, not this one, this was 0. So this is a decaying one, so this is stable. It moves inward towards the fixed point. Whereas if C1 is 0, this gives us x1 equal to plus 2 x2. So we are going to have such a line, and because it has a rising exponent, growing exponent, this is going to repel the initial conditions, or the values of x1 and x2 will grow. So it will go away from the fixed point. So when one of the trajectories on this line tells that if the initial condition would be on this line, we are going to get ultimately value of 0, and that's true because this term will be 0. And when we are on this line, we are not going towards 0, but we will grow in time, and this is ultimately true because this would be 0. And what about if we have initial condition here or anywhere? Now you can easily guess what's going to happen. So if we have something close to this one here, it will have a tendency to go out, and if we have something here, it will have a tendency to go in. However, not exactly being on this line means this term is not 0, so it will have some value. So initially this will play some part. It will move toward the origin. But gradually coming closer to the origin, instead of converging, it will diverge away. So we are going to get such. So many lines are not important, so making one line is important. For example, here we can see that it would be something like this, here something like this, and here something like this. So in this case, so this pen is actually a very bad one. So in this case, this fixed point is known as the saddle point. So why this is known as a saddle point? to understand this, I hope you remember what a saddle looks like that we put on a horse. So it is something like this where the riders sit. So it is higher in the front, higher at the back, and the rider sits in between. So if you look from the side of a horse, if you look at a side view, we have this point that is a stable equilibrium. So things go here and here and stabilize here. But if you look from the front or back, the saddle would look something like this. So the rider sits here, its leg on this side and leg on this side. So if we have something here, it will fall out. But if we have something here, it will, looking from the side, moving in this plane, it will going to be stabilized here, but here it will fall out. So it is not stable in one direction, and it is stable in the other. That is why this fixed point is known as a stable point and is saddle point, and it is stable only along this trajectory. Everywhere except this, it is not stable. And if you try to solve and see whether you can understand this or not, then try to sketch the phase portrait for the system of equations described through these differential equations. And because they come under this heading, you can very easily see that you are going to deal with a saddle point.